As you guys can see here, I have an iMac and it's kind of dark back there, and I've been looking for something to brighten up my office space. So I think I finally found the product. All right, so I just opened the pull tab and it slides right out. All right, this looks super simple. So it comes with a booklet on, I'm guessing, how to use it, and just like the whole setup, and a very simple in the box, or should I say, in the foam wrapping. So let's take a look at this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. It has some plastic seal on both sides to protect it, which I appreciate because I'm a little bit clumsy sometimes, so I don't really want to mess it up straight out of the box. I love the length of this. That's incredible. As you guys can see, we have our brightness settings right in the front. And then we have our stand, which is adjustable. So however tight or loose we need it to be. That is so fun. And this top is flexible, which I did not know. How helpful is that? So we can bend it forwards, side to side, however, to fit our little cove, which will help me because I didn't measure, I didn't know like how long of a light I should get. So the fact that this is gonna bend for me, and if it's too long, I can kind of do like that curl figure, that'll be super helpful. And then we also get, of course, let me set this down really quick, the outlet. So for demonstration purposes, I plugged it in super close just so that you guys could see how incredibly easy this was to set up. You first start with the cord that plugs into the almost near the base area, then plug it into an outlet, and then it literally takes you 2 seconds to attach it to your desk or table or whatever you're using. Let's take a look at the lamp itself now. And the power on button, look how bright that is. And we can always change the brightness by gently touching this button right here, as you can see, and tapping it again to get that brightness back. And then we also have some color temperature settings. So we tap that. We have a cooler setting right there. It gives a little bit of a blue vibe. We press it again. We get a warmer tone, some orange and yellow. You guys can see just how easy I'm pressing on it. The 60-minute timer is self-explanatory, and then we can turn it back off. Let's try the sensor now. So there are 2 things to remember when you're trying to utilize the gesture button. 1, you must long press this for about 3 seconds, and 2, the lights must be off. So once those 2 things are accomplished, whenever you wave, the light will pick up your hand. Isn't that so neat? So any questions whatsoever that you may have about the lamp, the manual is super, super helpful. It took me 2 seconds to set up and 3 seconds to learn. So I highly recommend this. My eyes already feel so much better. There's no strain transitioning from a blaring computer screen to the paper. And I was literally reading the manual and I could already tell the difference in looking at the screen and looking down at paper. So save your eyes, save your time trying to set up a complicated light and get this one.